Namaste everyone. Here is myself Guru Ashok.
I'm Sangeet.
I'm Steven. Today we are from SSVM School of Excellence and our project is self-healing road pavement using natural materials. The problem is India's known road network faces rapid deterioration due to heavy traffic, poor drainage and temperature fluctuation. Frequent cracks and potholes in road increase maintenance costs. And not only that, traditional pavement material lack resilience, thus making shorter road life and resource wastage. And not only that, to break this gap, we need bio-based binders, polymers and microbial reagents that themselves heal and reducing the road repair frequency and promoting sustainability.
Commuters and drivers, environment, economy and industries are the one who gets affected to this problem. Designed to repair minor cracks on roads and pavements, healing triggered by temperature, moisture and chemical reactions, improve lifespan, reduces maintenance and enhances sustainability.
The natural polymer we use or natural rubber which could be taken from latex trees, and the next is lignin which could get extracted from wood waste, and then chitosan which could be taken from shell waste which could be then converted into chitin, and at last chitosan, and then comes the starch which could be taken from plants. The major mechanism of self-healing in roads or road pavement using natural polymers and materials, or step 1, crack initiation, then which leads to polymer activation and which turns out to be the important phase that is healing process and which finally restore and strengthen recovery.
Sustainability benefits: 100% biodegradable and renewable, replaces with petroleum-based polymers, enables circular economy with agricultural byproducts, reduces environmental pollution, improves durability on minimal carbon footprints. The outcomes are natural polymers provide a green pathway for self-healing pavements. They reduce environmental impact with improving performance.
Thank you, Buildathon, for giving us this opportunity.